For more on this storm alert weather day. Good afternoon, Brittany.
Good afternoon, Latrice. You know, we've had kind of some hefty storms this morning. We didn't have a significant weather advisory. We didn't have anything severe this morning, and you know, things are kind of quieting down a little bit. So I don't think there's going to be much action in the remainder of the afternoon for most of us. I do think there's going to be some hit and miss showers, and we're seeing that across Hamilton County. There's a few downpours that are developing, but most of the action is going to stay south and east. And so as this kind of fades here, this is when our threat for the most part is going to kind of fade. There's going to be some rain, but I think as far as, you know, this is where we've got a tornado watch. It's for Floyd County and even south of Gordon County. It really just kind of clips our very far fringe half. I don't think there's going to be much coming from a lot of us. Now, as we pull back, you can see there's a couple of storms developing right now north of Birmingham. We'll keep an eye on that for you, but let me show you the newest Vipercast. It's initializing okay. It's not showing too much action this afternoon. It's showing a couple of scattered showers, but it's not blossoming up anything really organized today. So that is some good news to report, but then again, it's just a forecast model. As we move through tomorrow, there is a greater threat of severe weather. There's going to be a cold front approaching from the west. Tomorrow, we're looking at afternoon temperatures climbing up to 80 degrees, so it's warm enough. Dew points are high, so it's moist enough, and there's a little bit of wind shear out there. So by 10 o'clock tomorrow morning, we get our first round of a couple of showers and storms developing. This should stabilize things a little bit. It all depends on how soupy those dew points are tomorrow. But here's 1 p.m., 2 p.m. in the afternoon. Could have a few hefty storms develop during that time. And as we head into between 4 p.m. and 8 p.m., that is the time frame we really have to keep an eye on some strong storms tomorrow. So this is 5 o'clock. We get some nice pink colors. This would indicate a nice squall line developing from Fort Payne and up through Walker County and over to Chattooga County. That's just a model, but it certainly can happen. So that would indicate a couple of strong to severe storms. And then by 8 p.m., 9 p.m., a lot of this is moving east and a lot of it's done. So it'll be close for the Lookouts game tomorrow evening, which I understand is at 7:15. It will be very close. It all depends on how quickly these storms move through. It is going to be wet before game time. I want to emphasize that. There's a very good chance we'll have rain and storms ongoing. It all just depends on if it'll be moving out quick enough for you. As we move into Tuesday night, things look a-okay with that actual frontal passage. Wednesday, a very small rain chance early in the morning. Not a big deal. Clouds move out and it's going to turn more tranquil and cooler as we head into Wednesday and Thursday. But here's our air temperature. We're up to 74. We've got winds from the south-southeast. That pollen, hey, not too bad. It's in the high category, but it's 155, better than 300. 82 today is going to do it for us. Tomorrow, 80. I'm shaving us down just a little bit for tomorrow, basically because of that first round moving in. And then here's the risk for tomorrow. It's under an orange, so on this scale, it's a level 3. So tomorrow is definitely a day we need to really pay attention to. So if you've got an app on your phone, if you don't have an app on your phone, make sure you download an app and you have notifications selected on for tomorrow. So we've got an enhanced risk for 60-mile-per-hour wind gusts, a better threat tomorrow for hail, especially west of 75, and then a few tornadoes are possible tomorrow. So we're storm alerting today, but we're storm alerting also for tomorrow. Tomorrow there's a greater threat. We're under a 5% probability for a tornado tomorrow. So it's higher, and that also means a few tornadoes are possible. So just kind of stay with us at least through tomorrow evening. We'll get through tomorrow evening, and then it's kind of smooth sailing here.